Hello everyone, this is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So good morning everyone. So this is my Christmas flower that the one person, the love of my daughter, and my daughter gave me this one. So what I will do is I will save it, then I will make something with this. Yes, so it's a flower chump, Philippines. So thank you so much, flower chump, because still alive, but I need to save it before it's what you call that, going rotten. So this one I can use again in the next Christmas, this one, so that is a good remembrance. And yeah, I will do something about this and I will make it a memorable to me and my daughter forever. So thank you so much for watching this quick video that I make. This is May Cocoquera. So this is the video update of my life. So this still red pa guys, but I need to keep it. Yeah. So guys, this is it. So we open this one because it's already open. Tapos so stick. So this is the
feathers.
Huh?
Feathers.
Okay. A lot of what you call that way, wrapping.
You need to take off that para the water will go inside, and then it will make the real flower. Properly. This is not real.
This one is not real. Oh, it's real. Oh no, it's a plastic. Ano ba?
And that is real.
It's okay. I will make another. What do you call that?
Pipit. I love you, Pipit.
I love you, Pipit. I love you, Anton.
I love you, Anton.
Thank you for this.
Thank you for
Mommy May will save this one. So I have a remembrance.
What you guys doing?
cutting the flower.
One more.
Daddy, she's videoing.
Oh, get that. This is schoolbook?
Yeah. But I will use.
No, I can't see it. I will see. What are you doing, Ma?
I will put the.
Are there any real ones in there?
Huh?
Is there any real ones?
Yeah, this one.
In your bouquet?
Yeah.
The rest aren't real?
The rest is, yes, I can use it.
Let me ask a third time. Is there any real ones in there?
Here, this is the real one.
There's only one real one?
3.
What are these?
This is, you can use.
Looks like a mushroom. It is a mushroom.
Christmas.
It's a mushroom.
Yeah, I can use it next
It's a
year.
psilocybin mushroom. They're against the law. It's drugs. What do you got here? Berries?
Berries.
That was a nice bouquet, huh?
Yeah.
But you're broken.
I need to, what you call
play with
that?
it. Take care of the the real stuff. Little rot that stink, bugs. Kind of a rotten ass mess. That was a nice bouquet, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That a real flower?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. A rose?
Rose. For how many days I will have this one?
Wow. It looks good though, huh?
Yeah, it's still good.
It hadn't opened. Whoa. You got more.
Mm-hmm. The real one.
What's that thing there?
This is a decoration. See? I can use in the, what do you call that, next year.
Oh, it's big. You told me before there's decoration there. That was something little tiny. Got a candy cane?
Candy cane.
Wow.
Excited you
Ay,
have
nai, isa. Ay, arang na.
Is that?
It's the same. I can take it off with this one, with a stick. What do you
Well,
think?
why not just leave it on the stick? That way you can find it.
Eh,
More berries? I can't see none of the
They
stuff.
are real, Mongo. That's real.
Wow.
See? That's good. You can use it again. More. I have a collection.
Oh, your card?
Mm.
Uy. Tao mama na.
See?
Tao tumama si.
Mm.
What are you freaking doing?
Yeah.
Break it.
No, I will make something.
Make a vase.
You need like newspaper. You put your flowers in it, they gotta have weight. Huh?
Yeah.
A lot of weight on top. To press flowers. I've pressed flowers before. It takes a while. Book's no good no more?
No more.
Yeah. So if it is, you're ruining it. They're ruining it.
What that? What did you say? No.
You're ruining it.
The book?
The book kakao.
Speak Chinese.
Eat rice, stay happy. Happy, joy. Poo-poo doo-doo.
What did you learn that?
I just made it up just now. Sake poo. Doo-doo. Poo-poo
I have something to do this one. Bye-bye. This is the decoration of the flower that I get. It's beautiful.
Oh,
Pipit, oh, look at Pipit. I can use again. It's really nice collection. I'm so happy with this. Thank you. Kamay rag kalipay ang mama. Diba?
to be thankful.
So thank you so much. So I already put this one in Christmas tree and it's look good. So hoping next year I have another one. Hoping next year I have another collection with this. So the other flower, the true flower, I will revive that one. So be there for me what I'm doing with that. So hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.